Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review a new product from the Laughing Cow, which has been launched in India. It's a Laughing Cow creamy cheese 10 rupees sachet. So guys, if you remember, you'll get shampoos in sachets, you'll get ketchup in sachets, and now Laughing Cow has introduced the creamy cheese in a 10 rupees sachet, which makes the creamy cheese very much affordable to anyone and everyone who would want to have creamy cheese. So guys, this is from the brand the Laughing Cow, which is a French brand, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with it. So coming to the packaging, like I told you, it comes in a sachet here, small sachet here. It looks like a shampoo sachet, but it's actually cream cheese. Right on top we have the Laughing Cow branding right here. In this corner they are given the MRP, which is ₹10. It says creamy cheese, which is the name of the product. The illustration of the cheese on the paratha right here. It contains 5 vitamins, minerals and proteins. Right, and let's move to the back, is where they are given the ingredients. The water, milk solids, cheese, emulsifiers, modified starch, minerals, vitamins, acidity regulators. And then they are given the nutritional information. Per 100 gram it provides 240 kcals of energy. And this is a 15 gram pack, so it provides 36 kcals of energy right here. It contains 1.5 grams of protein, 0.75 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fat, and 15 grams is 3 grams of fat, 108 milligrams sodium, 90 milligrams calcium, vitamin A 90, 0.18, 1.5, vitamin B12 is 0.18, and vitamin D is 1.5. Moving on, the net weight, like I told you, is 15 grams, and the MRP is same is ₹10. Now let's go ahead and quickly do a taste test. Now right now I don't have anything handy to do a taste test on, so I'm going to do a plain cheese taste. That's how you know how the cheese tastes, right? Actually, so we are going to do a quick, open this pack up, and we are going to do a quick taste test. So, I saw this. So there is already a cut here, so that you can easily open it as well and not struggle with it. And this is how it is. I've opened it, and inside is a cream. It has a cheesy flavor inside, aroma to it. And now we are going to just push up a little cheese. So you can see this is cheese right here. I'm going to do a taste test of it right away, right from the packet itself. The perfect flavor, the very much Laughing Cow cheese flavor. Even if you all must have had the Laughing Cow cheese, right? The cubes, it tastes very much similar to that. That cheese is also nice and soft. I can't stop eating this right now. It's that good. Very nice flavor. Melted creamy cheese right here from the Laughing Cow. Will go really well on parathas and pizzas and like that cheese burst pizza and all that you want to make. Try this out. Try it on your sandwiches, try it on anything you would want to make it cheesy. Right? Wherever you think there's a need for that liquid cheese, this is what you all can try. So guys, creamy cheese from Laughing Cow is available on Amazon. You can purchase it from there. I left a link in the description below. And if you guys have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you guys want me to cover any product for review in my upcoming videos, do let me know in the comment section below.